Hello everyone, welcome all. In this video, you will learn to analyze and design curve building model using ATAPS. So this is the given problem statement. In this problem statement, they have mentioned G plus 7 story building and following data. So let us start. Open the ATAPS, click on File, click on New Model, then set default unit and default IS code. As in our problem statement, they have mentioned 5 number of grid line in x direction and 4 number of grid line in y direction. Choose custom grid spacing as they have mentioned different spacing between grid lines. Also, in the problem statement, they have mentioned G plus 7, that is total number of story is 8. Define the material property as given in the problem statement. Concrete grade as M35, HYACD 415 for longitudinal reinforcement and mile 250 for tie bars, that is shear reinforcement. As in the problem statement, they have mentioned brick masonry wall of 230 mm. So we have to define masonry material also. After defining all material properties, we have to define section properties. First of all, we have to define beam of 350 by 350 section, then column of 350 by 350 section, then slab of 150 mm, After that, we have to define wall, two types of wall section, that is shear wall of 300 mm and brick masonry wall of 230 mm. To draw the curve beam, select line drawing option as arc, center and 2 point. First of all, select the center point, then one end then another end. After that, right click. Repeat the same process for all the remaining 3 parts. Similar for curved slab, click on draw floor, select edge drawing as arc 3 point, then select the first point, then second point, then drag the cursor on the arc and then select center point. After that, right click. Repeat the same process for all the 3 remaining parts. Then go to the bottommost part of model, select all slab and delete that slab. First of all, make sure that you will select story as one story. After the deleting all slab, select all the joints and assign restraint condition as fixed condition. Next step is to assign the load according to the given problem statement. As in the problem statement, they have mentioned dead load of 3 kN per meter square for the remaining floor and 1 kN per meter square for the roof. Also, live load of 5 kN per meter square for the remaining floor and 3 kN per meter square for the roof. Also, they have mentioned cladding load of 0.2 kN per meter square. Assign according to that. After assigning all the loads, perform analysis on model. It will show the results like bending moment, shear force, etc. Next step is to design the model. Click on design, then make sure that you set the IS 456-2000 for design check code. After that, start design check. It will show the reinforcement value for top and bottom. ETAB provides project report which contains all the information about the section, material, properties and their bending moment shear force values. And here completes analysis and design of curve building model. Thanks for watching.